Hello, I wanted to just give you some information about your Students Genius Hour project. So part of the project is to create a poster, and we will be using the laptops to find pictures and type. And I wanted to give you some information on how we're going to be doing that. So if your student starts typing and doing that information here at school, they can work on it at home. So what we are going to use for finding information, finding pictures, typing is a shared 6th grade Google Drive. So what I've done is I've set up just a 6th grade email that students can use. So if you go, usually it will pop up, but if you type in Google and you see these boxes over in the corner and it says sign in, you're going to click on those boxes and then you're going to click on Drive and you're going to go to Personal, go to Google Drive, and then you're going to sign in using the username and password that I have for it. Everybody knows it, everybody shares it, it's okay. It is LWC 6th grade at gmail.com. And then the password is simply 6th grade, no capitals, no numbers, nothing. Just 6th grade, all one word. Okay, so then what your student is going to do, they'll have their folder that they'll go into, and then they can just start a new document. So to do a document, they'll go over to New and then do Google Doc. And what I would like them to do if they start this at home is in this untitled document spot, I want them to put their name so that way I know whose document it is and so it doesn't say untitled name. So I'm going to put my name in that untitled document. I don't need their topic, just their name. Everything saves automatically. They don't need to share it with me. I have access to this, and then I can help them print these things here at school, or you can print them at home. I told the students that I would print things for them, and I would print up to 3 pictures for their poster. If they want more than 3 pictures, that is something that they will need to do outside of class. So I'll print 3, I'll print things if they type it, if they want me to print it. If they don't want me to print it, that's fine. I just want you to know that that is also an option. If you have questions or you have trouble signing in or they forgot or whatever, all of this information will be on my website under a Genius Hour Resources tab, or you can email me or use Remind. Hopefully that helps a little bit. I'm excited to see their final products.